Good morning, Tigers. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. This is your guided reading class. The book is Cats. This is lesson 129, day 2. These are the supplies you'll need for today's lesson. Your book Cats, your analogy chart, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. I'll give you a moment to get your supplies together, and then we'll begin. All right, let's begin. Yesterday, Tigers, I asked you to read your book and get ready to have me ask you some questions. So get your book handy and reference it if you need to. Open it up and look around if you need to look at some of the pictures or words to answer my questions. I'm going to be asking you questions, and I know I can't hear your answer, but please be sure to answer me out loud, just like I could hear you. We're going to do some pretending, okay? All right. I'm going to name 2 different kinds of cats, a bobcat and a cheetah. Now I'm going to tell you how they are alike and how they are different. The bobcat and cheetah are alike because they both are wild. The bobcat and cheetah are different because the cheetah is faster. Let's turn to page 11. Remember, our comprehension focus is analyzing relationships, comparing, and contrasting. This week in this book, Cats, we're talking about how cats are alike and how they are different. All right. Turning to page 11, it says that the cheetah is the fastest animal on land. Now it's your turn. I want you to choose 2 cats from the first part of the book. Let's do it together. Let's go back to let's try this. Let's see. Just give me a moment, please. How about let's go, I'm sorry, kiddos. Let's go to page 5. Page 5. Let's compare this tiger to this house cat. We're going to compare the tiger and the house cat. I want you to think of one way that the tiger and the house cat are the same. Go ahead, I'm listening. How are they the same? All right. These are some ways I thought of that they are the same. Both the tiger and the house cat have whiskers. Both the tiger and the house cat have eyes. Both the tiger and the house cat are alike because they have stripes on their fur. Did you notice? Look really closely. Both have stripes, don't they? Those are 3 ways that the tiger and the house cat are the same, or they are alike. Now let's talk about how the tiger and the house cat are different. How are the tiger and house cat different? Go ahead, you tell me some ways. I'm listening. Those are some really great ideas. I'll tell you what I thought of. The tiger and the house cat are different because the tiger is wild and the house cat is domestic. The tiger and the house cat are different because the tiger has some orange fur while the house cat is gray and white. Another way that the tiger and the house cat are different is that the tiger eats prey. The tiger is a predator and eats meat for its prey, while the house cat most likely eats cat food from the store. Good job comparing and contrasting the two different cats. All right, let's move on to our Day 2 lesson. Let's introduce a few more new vocabulary words. Please turn to page 16. Page 16. All right. Page 16. Find the word lightly. Lightly. There it is. Let's read that sentence. Most cats sleep lightly much of the time. They are asleep. When cats are sleeping lightly, they can wake up very quickly. Good job, friends. Cats sleep lightly, which means they wake up quickly. We call this light sleeping or a cat nap. Let's turn to page 20. The title of this page is Grooming. Find the word rough. Rough. There it is. The beginning sound is the R, r. And the O-U-G-H is a chunk that says uff. Uff. Say it with me. Uff. Put it together. Rough. Good. Kittens' tongues are rough like sandpaper. Let's read that sentence together. Their tongues are rough like sandpaper. Sandpaper is a compound word. There are two words put together to make one word. Let's say it together. Use your hands. Sand, paper, sandpaper. Good job. And our last word, please turn to page 23. Page 23. Oh, isn't that sweet? Look at that little kitten. Let's find the word explore. Explore. That's right. There's our letter of the week, X. Let's read that sentence together. They love to play and explore. Explore means they like to go many places and look at many new things. Basically, it's like Curious George. Curious George likes to explore, doesn't he? He likes to go and look and see. He's very curious. Kittens are that way too. All right. Let's turn to page 14 and 15. I see a lot of text boxes on these two pages. Let's read the picture captions together. Here is a Siamese cat. Siamese cats have blue eyes. Here is a Persian cat. Persian cats have long fur. Here is a tabby cat. Tabby cats have stripes or spots. Good job, friends. Let's choose two cats on this page and talk about how they are alike or different. How about let's choose this cat and this cat, the Siamese and the Persian, okay? Tell me, if you can, how are these two cats alike or the same? I'm listening. Okay. Now tell me how these two cats are different. All right, now I have a funny question. Tigers, how are you like a cat? Go ahead and tell me, I'm listening. How are you like a cat? All right, I have some suggestions. You are like a cat because you like to play, just like a cat likes to play. You are like a cat because you like to climb trees. Cats like to climb trees. You are like a cat because you have 2 eyes and a nose and a mouth and 2 ears, just like a cat. That's how you are alike. Now I want you to think how you are different than a cat. Go ahead, I'm listening. Okay, I have some ideas. You are different than a cat because your body is not covered in fur, like a cat's. You are different than a cat because a cat likes to eat mice. You do not like to eat mice. You are different than a cat because cats go to the bathroom in a litter box, and you go to the bathroom on a toilet. Ha ha ha. I just couldn't resist. I had to say that one. That's how you are different from a cat. All right, let's turn to page 20. This is our last little item before we move to our analogy chart. Let's go to page 20. We were here before, boys and girls, and I told you that there was a compound word on this page. Do you remember what the word was? Can you find it? That's right, it was sandpaper. Let's say that with our hands again. Here we go. Sand, paper, sandpaper. Good job, friends. All right. You can slide your book out of the way and bring your analogy chart onto your table. We're going to be writing some words. Our 2 chunks are EW, the oo or U sound, and the ow sound, OW. So oo or ow, oo and ow. All right, I'm going to give you a word, and I'm going to see if you know where to put it. Here we go. Few, few. Now, now. Down, clown, flew, grew. Now we're going to get a little tricky. I have 2 compound words, so these will be a little bit longer. But remember, stretchy snake your sounds, go slow, and think about your chunks. Here we go. Newborn. Newborn. New, born, newborn. And the next word, downtown. Downtown. Down, town, downtown. Not only is downtown a compound word, but down and town rhyme, don't they? That's a fun one. The next word is plow. Plow. And the last word, stew. Stew. All right, Tigers, you can put your marker away. Let's read our lists together. Let's start with the OO list, and then we'll go into the OW list. Are you ready? Fingers out. Here we go. Few, flew, grew, newborn, stew. Now, down, clown, downtown, plow. Good job, Tigers. I am proud of you. Good job today. Please take one more read of your book. Read the book Cats one more time. And remember, if there's any words you come to that you're not sure of, use your reading strategies. If that doesn't work, don't give up. Don't skip it and forget it. Go ask a mom or a dad to help you out. I love you. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.